Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in LBank account. LBank is a cryptocurrency exchange platform used for spot trading. To log into LBank, you need to first open your LBank application on your device. After this, you will be taken to Home. Now, here you can see small profile icon on the top left corner. Tap on the profile icon. Now on the top you can see login/register option. Tap on login/register. Now here you can see you can log in using your Google account. For this you need to tap on login with Google account option on the down. Or you can also log in using your email or your phone number. I'm going to log in with email as I have created my account using my email. So here enter your email on the given box. After this, enter the correct password of your account on the given box. Now, if you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password option. With this, tap on Login/Register option. With this, now you'll be able to log into your LBank account. Here you can see on the top that my LBank account has been logged in. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.